You know, this is all your fault.
Wait there. But are you cheat on me?
Yeah, but are you make me cheat by you?
Listen, it's not you, it's me.
But that not explain why you break up with me.
Me not have time for this. I'm hungry. Later.
I told you this was going to happen.
Excuse me? I don't remember you telling me say you that cheat on me with all of my friend them and my mother.
Well, me never make no promises to you.
You should have noticed that I was upset.
Oh, me for know if you're upset or not. Me can't read your mind.
See, this is why we broke up.
We can go out again. After me date your friend.
You really have the audacity to say that?
Yeah, whatever. You're just jealous of me.
You never put out the effort what me put out in the relationship. That's why me I left you.
So just tell me what you want me to do. Please, we can't cheat.
Sorry, you're just not perfect enough for me.
I thought this is what you wanted.
When me say me want to break up with you, Danielle, they just know I'm gonna trust you.
Trust me, you're the one always keeping secret.
You don't need to know my business.
You take up too much of my free time, that's why I left you.
But we barely even spend time together. I only see you on weekend.
You see? You're just so clingy.
We're just too busy for this.
But we just started dating.
Yeah. But me have to work.
My girl, I would tell you say me and you did there.
You know, I just can't get over the fact that you look on a girl in a Western Union.
But that did happen over 5 years ago.
5 years, 10 years, no matter, you still do it.